Artery health meal that supports heart function. Small choices protect your heart daily. I didn't expect the warning signs. Low energy, heavy chest after meals. Nothing dramatic, just subtle changes. Until a checkup showed rising cholesterol. That moment stayed with me. Not fear, but a wake-up call. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood. Plaque buildup narrows the flow over time. Fiber helps bind excess cholesterol in digestion. According to the World Health Organization, heart disease is linked to diet patterns. Research from the National Institutes of Health shows fiber and healthy fats support cardiovascular health. I didn't look for extreme fixes. I built one simple meal instead. Here is the balanced plate that helped me. First, oatmeal as a base. Rich in beta-glucan fiber. It helps reduce LDL cholesterol levels. One bowl in the morning works well. Second, berries on top. Blueberries or strawberries add antioxidants. They help reduce oxidative stress in vessels. Third, a handful of walnuts. They contain omega-3 fats. These support healthy blood vessels. Fourth, a drizzle of olive oil. Adds polyphenols and healthy fats. Supports overall heart function. Fifth, a side of leafy greens. Spinach or arugula provide nitrates. These help improve blood flow naturally. Results vary depending on consistency and health. I also reduced processed foods, especially refined sugars and trans fats. That change alone made a difference. Tracking progress kept me focused. I monitored energy and lab results. Small improvements built real motivation. A study in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology highlights diet quality as key. Not one food, but long-term patterns. Some foods may not suit everyone. Moderation and balance are essential. Consult a doctor before major changes. Avoid extreme diets or quick claims. This meal didn't clean arteries overnight, but it supported better function steadily. Start with one healthy meal today. Like and share if this helped. Your heart deserves daily care.